What's up, it's your boy Damian Dupe, your number one off-market land specialist, hyper focused on the infill lots. You are now tuned into the We Are Land Specialists YouTube channel, where I'm your host Damian Dupe, and this channel is all about finding vacant land, flipping vacant land, assigning vacant land. So if there's something you're interested in, you are now in the right place. If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Please consider subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing, and I really would appreciate that. All right, so today I'm going to be talking to you about a topic that, a lot of people probably will frown upon this topic, but to each his own. So today we're going to be talking about, why aren't you selling your land? Are you getting land under contract and it's very challenging for you to sell it? Do you have land under contract that is challenging for you to find a buyer? Are you getting land under contract and it's challenging for you to keep your commitment you made to the seller? Then this video is for you. All right, so I'm gonna go over a couple things why it could be an issue why you're not moving your land. One is lack of comps. Comps are comparables. Comparables are like-kind properties that are selling in the area. The more comps, the better. The less comps, it gets scarce. So a lot of times why your land cannot be selling is because a lack of comps, a lack of activity in the area, which means it's probably not a strong demand for that type of product in that area. Okay. Number two reason why you might not be selling your land is because you're hunting in areas that has what we call high DOM. And DOM stands for, ladies and gentlemen, days on market. Maybe you're hunting in areas where it takes 6 to 7 months to sell a property and you're only getting maybe 30 or 45 days on your contract. So you definitely want to be abreast on the market wherever you're hunting at and making sure that you can move the lot in the time frame that you put on your contract with the seller. Okay. Number three reason why you're not selling your land is you didn't start with the end in mind. I teach this a lot, and a lot of people probably look over it or don't pay attention to it, but I'll repeat it again. The end in mind is building a relationship with someone that has a builder and or a relationship with a builder that can make a decision to buy land from you, okay? And that's very important because that's what we call dispositions. And dispositions is when you dispose of and when you sell the land. So before you get started, you really want to find someone. You can partner with another wholesaler. You can partner with me. You can partner with a real estate agent that has a contact with a builder. You can go direct to the builder. The point is people. You want to have a relationship with someone who's able to make a decision so they can tell you yay or nay fast. Okay? That's the whole purpose of having a relationship and starting with the end in mind, because you're actually going exactly after the type of product that builder and or agent is looking for, and you're bringing them almost what they want on a silver platter. So if you're struggling to sell your land, ask yourself this: do I have a relationship with a builder and or a wholesaler that can provide feedback in a timely manner? Ask yourself this: do I have access to people who can let me know whether this lot is buildable or not, whether that's someone at the county level, whether that's someone at the city? Ask yourself that. If you don't, hey, it's not too late. You can go out and develop those relationships. You can go out and find the people that you need to be a part of your team in order to make sure that your lots are selling. You are not sitting on your lots, okay? So hopefully that helps you. Again, this business is really all about marketing. And once you do the marketing, if you're good at that part, if you're good at getting properties under contract, then you have to be good at dispositions, which is the selling the property. So again, if you suck at disposition, consider partnering with someone. Maybe the lots that you're going after are on main roads, and builders do not want lots that's on main roads. Maybe the lots that you're going after are in HOA communities. Maybe the lots you're going after are in neighborhoods that has very stringent building restrictions and covenants. So again, you want to hunt in a place where you already have relationships, where you already have people who's going to buy those lots from you. And it's a saying that I got from Grant Cardone a while ago. And I live by that saying. And the most important thing he says is, who has my money? You got to figure that part out. So again, be encouraged. If you're struggling to move that dirt, listen, I would love to help you if it's in my market. Charlotte, North Carolina, Concord, North Carolina, Gastonia, North Carolina, Cherryville, North Carolina. I mean, all around Charlotte within a 2-hour drive, I can help. If it's not within a 2-hour drive of Charlotte, it's going to be tough for me. This is the area that I focus on. This is the area where I find the most opportunities at. And I hope we can partner together one day. So I appreciate you. Salute, on to the next.